Pakistani immigrant intellectuals, if only through their unbiased and genuine scholarly knowledge, guide the people and government institutions living in Pakistan through positive expression and actionable methods. So it will be humane. Instead of provoking the people living in Pakistan and pushing them towards bloodshed. Living an enjoyable life in self-protected countries. This is such cruelty. For example, a cruel psychopath, sitting in a beautiful comfortable room in the harsh cold, satisfies his negative emotions by burning people as fuel, burning them in the fire. This role of the so-called most patriotic intellectual mujahideen, who have migrated to Western countries through political refugees from Muslim countries and other means, is very shameful. Their audience, like the audience of these revolutionary poets, is wowing. For example, in the past, Pakistani so-called revolutionary poets used to enjoy bungalows and Pakistani elite clubs and make money from the media of the bureaucratic establishment, and then write and recite the divans of revolutionary poetry and ghazals while crying with their heads on the left in the grief of the nation. And today Pakistan and its people are trapped in a dangerous mess.